Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and preparing documentation. You need the Apple ID and proof of purchase. This proves you're the rightful owner. Once done, ask the original owner to unlock the watch or remotely remove it via Icloud. Make sure your network is stable and your 2FA device is nearby for verification. If you can't reach the owner, locate the original receipt and the watch serial/MA. These are required by Apple support when we escalate the request. Next, either have the owner remove the watch from their iCloud account or contact Apple support directly. If the owner is present, guide them to iCloud. Comms Find My page and remove the device. That clears activation lock immediately. If not, schedule an Apple Store or support call and present your receipt and device serial. Apple verifies ownership with purchase details and may unlock the device after review. Be patient. This process can require identity checks and follow-up emails to complete. Finally, follow Apple's instructions to complete the unlock. If Apple clears activation lock, they'll walk you through erasing and pairing the watch to your Apple ID. If Apple can't verify ownership, ask for exact reasons and what evidence would meet their requirements. Sometimes a more detailed receipt or bank statement helps. If progress stalls, escalate to Apple Care Senior Support and retain all correspondence. One troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, reboot both devices and confirm iOS/watchOS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.